Next, we're going to look at the corollary to the triangle sum theorem. And what a corollary is a statement that directly follows from a theorem. So we just learned the triangle sum theorem, which tells us that the measures of the interior angles of a triangle sum is 180. What directly follows from this is that if we have a right triangle, so we have a right angle. Well, we know that measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C equals 180. We also can see that the measure of angle A equals 90, which means that the measure of angle B plus measure of angle C must equal 90. And this is always true, meaning that angle B and angle C are complementary. So the corollary to the triangle sum theorem is that the acute angles, which are in this case are angles B and C, of a right triangle are complementary. And this is just a nice thing to know so that when you do see a right triangle, instead of having to write out B plus C plus A equals 180 and plugging in 90, you can immediately jump to B plus C equals 90. Before we move on to our next theorem, however, we do need to address interior and exterior angles. So when we are looking at a polygon, and this applies to any polygon, not just triangles, but when we're looking at a polygon, we can extend the sides and turn our line segments into lines. What we end up getting, I'm going to change just where I put the letters, is we have what are called interior angles. And interior angles are angles that are formed by the original sides, which are the line segments of the polygon. So in this example, we have 3 interior angles, which I just marked off in blue. And those are the angles that are inside your polygon, and in this case, the triangle. We also have what are called exterior angles. Exterior angles are angles formed by an original side and the extended side of a polygon. So looking around vertex A, we have original side AB, and then AC is extended, giving us this exterior angle here. We also have this exterior angle at vertex A. Notice this angle right here is not an exterior angle. So for an angle to be an exterior angle, the little arc that we draw must touch one of the original sides of our polygon. So at point B, we have another 2 exterior angles. And at point C, we have another 2 exterior angles. It's important that you be very familiar with the difference between interior and exterior angles, especially before you go on to the next theorem that we're about to do. So make sure these make sense. If you want to, take a moment and identify the exterior and interior angles in this quadrilateral. When you're ready to check your answers, go ahead and resume the videos.